In our shop, one of the most irreplaceable tools we have is our workbench. The frame is some old metal we had laying around, pallet racks to be exact. The top is 20 gauge stainless steel. We have carpet cut to shape so we don't unnecessarily scratch it while sliding wood across it. The bottom is the cool part with a 7,000 pound card scissor lift. Being able to raise and lower the workpiece is an absolute back saver. This is real time raising it so you can see how long it takes. Since I'm in a wheelchair, I can lower it down to my level and raise it for somebody else. Here you can see I'm making some of the jackets with heat transfer vinyl. You saw those in the beginning of the video.